When someone talking about the war, it's normal because I just heard it and the war is broke my heart. The war makes me feel blue until now. The war is kills my father. The war is the bad time that I don't want to see anymore. You know, my dad died in the war and I never see his face. I just remember his name, but I never see how is my daddy's look like because he was died in the war when I was 3 months. And that story is still in my